Okay guys, today we got another awesome Shin Godzilla toy straight from Japan. This is the repaint version. As you can see here, there's a purple one and this red one here. So this looks really cool. Here's what the side of the box looks like. I really like how these Japanese boxes look. They look really cool.
Welcome to TechToys. Have fun.
Here's a look at the other side. A look at the top. Okay, and let's go ahead and open this up and take the figure out and check him out, because this is really cool. So this is a red repaint. I showed you guys the purple one, which I could show you again, but this is what comes in the package before I remove anything. I'll also have a link below the video in the description where you could buy this one on Amazon. Like I said, this is a really awesome one, a lot of fun, straight from Japan. Okay, let's check him out. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this guy. First of all, what I did find out from the first one I opened was they come with this little stand here, because once you put its tail on, if you don't have it on this plastic stand, it falls over. And guys, I really like these. I mean, they have awesome detail. As you can see, when he doesn't have his tail, he stands fine. He does not fall over when he doesn't have his tail. It's when you put the tail on, because seems like the tail on most of these Godzillas is really huge. Okay, so first of all, first of all, this is one section of the tail, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm not gonna put, actually it seems like this one's at a different angle. See, it's too heavy, it leans to the side, so I'm gonna leave the last section of its tail off until we get over there, because I don't want to put him on the stand yet. Okay, so if you go ahead and look at this, you can see it's got really wicked teeth painted on, tiny little beady eyes. I really like the spikes they put down the back. They put multiple rows of spikes, and they are sharp. I mean, if you touch these, if you like stepped on this, good luck. If you step on that at nighttime, you're probably gonna be screaming. Very sharp, guys. Watch out. And then they did a great job with the claws on this guy, just like the other repaint I showed you guys, the purple one. So I really like these repaint ones from Japan. I mean, they did a great job detailing. These guys are perfect for they're alright for playability, but they're perfect for posing. And then you could see with the claws, they did a really good job there. Lots of claws. Looks like 6 claws and then 1 in the middle there. I thought that was a repaint problem in the last one, but it's not. It seems like all of these have it. And through its whole body, you're seeing a red and black color effect there. Blended right into the black part of his body, so that's really cool. And then I went ahead and added the rest of his tail. You can see this one ends in red, where if you see my video for the other one, that one ends in purple. So, like I said, I mean, this is an awesome dino, guys. If you guys want a really good collectible edition Godzilla, these ones are definitely it. You could order these on Amazon. They're shipped from Amazon, but these are manufactured by Sega in Japan. So you get fast Prime shipping if you have Prime shipping, but they are coming from Japan. So let me know what you guys think. I really like these repaint ones. Let me show you guys the purple one, because it's pretty much identical to this one, but a different color. So there is the purple one. I have a full review on that one if you want to check that one out. That one's really cool too. And let me know which one of these two you like the most, or what Godzilla toy you want to see reviewed. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of them. I got quite a few more of the Shin Godzillas that I bought. I got some really nice Godzilla like eggs and toys and just some really cool stuff. And like I said, this one did come with the stand. So he's got like 2 holes on his feet. So if you put him in the stand, then you don't need that little this little thing to hold him by the tail, because he is standing on that stand and he stands really good on that. Guys, then besides these 2 Godzilla toys which I've already shown you, I have several more I will be unboxing soon. I've got 2 transforming eggs here. One is Godzilla, one is King Ghidorah, and I also have a 3rd one which I need to find. I've got an awesome robotic Godzilla which is straight from Japan. I've got a big Ghidorah, which is some type of 3-headed dragon, straight from Japan. I got an awesome vinyl 2016 Godzilla, straight from Japan. I got these 3 little Shin Godzillas, which are from the 1950s, the 1980s, and 2016 versions of Godzilla. I got this other awesome Godzilla toy, which I got from Toys R Us, which I have already reviewed. This guy is awesome. In my opinion, this Necca 24-inch Godzilla is my favorite. This one I got for $50. Super detailed, awesome construction, and I mean, you could put this guy in so many different poses and positions. Very good playability and posability. I have a full review of that if you want to check out the Godzilla King Kong playlist at the end of the video. And then, of course, my biggest Godzilla toy, which is a giant one that's over 3 foot tall. I mean, this, you can see compared to the size of my hand, this guy is huge. This one I actually found at Toys R Us. I believe you could get this one on Amazon too. I believe it's just giant size Godzilla. So here you can see, compared to the figure I just reviewed, how big this guy is. Okay guys, so that is all the Godzilla toys I have so far and that I will be reviewing. Well, actually I got a few more that I have to find because I've got a lot of boxes of toys. So I have a few more besides the ones I showed you that I will be reviewing. Let me know if there's any other Godzilla toys that you guys want to see reviewed. And guys, here is a size comparison. This is the guy I just reviewed. This is the 24-inch Necca Godzilla, and this is the new King Kong from King Kong Skull Island. Let me know which one you think would win in battle, or which one you want to win in a battle. I mean, click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.